Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting your footage and captions ready so the process is fast. First, open the reel and listen through, noting where sentences begin and end. This helps alignment. If you plan to use automatic captions, enable transcription now and correct a few obvious errors. If you prefer manual, create an SRT or VTT with timestamps. Once done, export or save the caption file and keep the reel and captions in the same folder so upload is straightforward. Next, you upload and sync captions with the reel using either the platform's editor or a third-party tool. Start the reel upload, then choose Add Captions or Subtitles. If you upload SRT/VTT, check timestamp format. Platforms vary on comma versus dot and import. For auto-generated captions, scrub through the timeline and fix misheard words, speaker labels, and line length so text stays readable. Make timing tighter around fast speech, and add extra frames for short sentences to improve legibility. Finally, you style and finalize subtitles, then export and test the reel on device before publishing. Pick a readable font size and contrast. Dark outline or semi-opaque background helps across scenes, and set safe line length for phones. Once exported, preview for sync and readability. Make quick edits to timing or wording if text overlaps visuals. If captions don't appear after upload, reupload the SRT, clear app cache, or try another caption tool. This usually resolves hidden format or encoding issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.